Hello and welcome to my channel. Alright, today I want to share a little information about electronic connection RC plan for beginner tips. Okay, so the most important things that you need first is battery. Whether it's 2S or 3S or 4S, it doesn't matter. What is important is for RC plane is LiPo battery. It is because LiPo battery have a high discharge rate, whether it's 30C or 20C, or it's okay for everything that LiPo battery have a high discharge rate. That means that you can up the motor power so high. Alright, from battery, first battery will connect to ESC. Okay, ESC function of is for ESC is from the battery voltage. ESC will send to the motor. Okay, in an example, battery is 11.1 volt. Battery connect to ESC, then ESC will send 11.1 volt to motor. Okay, so from ESC to the receiver, it will send 6 volt. Maximum voltage for receiver to receive the power from battery is 6 volt. So function of electronic speed controller, it will send 6 volt from battery to the receiver. Okay, so now from receiver will control whether it's okay, call it's for example for 6 channel. First, servo elevator. Okay, second is servo rudder. Third is servo aileron. Then landing gear, optional if you want to retract landing gear. Flaps. Default 6 channel. Okay, first channel is aileron. Second channel is elevator. Third channel is thrust or throttle for motor. Servo rudder is in 4th channel. Then landing gear, then flaps. For 8 channel, maybe this we can drop off or light for the plane, on or off. Alright, this is the most begin tips for connection electronic for RC plan. Alright, just all from that. Just all from me. Thank you. Okay, additional information for servo aileron. We need Y extension servo cable because we want to connect right and left wing. Okay, thank you.